Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our third card using the Lily of the Valley bundle. And I really wanted to use that little bits and pieces die. We're doing a bit of a throwback Thursday. The With Deepest Sympathy sentiment is from a paper pumpkin kit. I'm not sure when. It was sometime last year. But I kept the stamp set out because it does have a really pretty With Deepest Sympathy. Now, this one is in basic beige. The one I'm going to do on the video today is in garden green. The leaves are cut from some of the Valley and Bloom Designer Series paper. And to do the Lily of the Valley stamp, I stamped it in garden green and used my aqua painter and just dragged some of the ink around and then just kind of tipped the top of the flowers. I didn't really want to have to color in or anything like that. And the aqua painter, just after you've stamped, does a really nice job of just adding a little bit of color. So the DSP, of course, on this is from the Valley and Bloom Designer Series paper. And it's really good because you don't actually need much more than this to get the card going. It's not a plain background. It's not open empty space that looks like it isn't quite finished. This is really, really nice Designer Series paper. Now, when I put these pieces down here, I used the green Tombow glue, and it was really super, super sticky. So I know that my greeting is going to go kind of across the bottom here. So I'm actually going to put some adhesive just across the bottom like that, knowing that it will be covered up. So I'm going to pop this down into that adhesive there. And I know that I'm going to cover up adhesive over here with one of the leaves. So I'm just going to pop that down like that. I find this is really still quite sticky. And I don't want it to be sticky. So that's why I have changed this up. I've added adhesive to the one leaf. It's going to sit like this. This leaf is going to sit like this, and my adhesive is right here. So I'm going to make sure that my leaf covers that up. And then this, I put a large dimensional at the bottom and a small dimensional at the top. And that's going to sit right in here like this. And then my With Deepest Sympathy is dimensionalized. And it is going to sit across the bottom. It's going to cover up that adhesive at the bottom. It's also going to hold the edges of this down. Now, these edges are still flagging up. If you want, you can put a little bit of your Stampin' seal on the edge just to hold that down if you want. I'm okay with it being lifted up. So this was our original, really kind of tone on tone in the background, and then with our garden green in the front. And then this one is much more obvious. It's not quite so subtle. And again, the Deepest Sympathy stamp is from a paper pumpkin kit from sometime last year. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.